to study for this morning is laboratory. Slides of assembly organs of digestion. So you have your slide fever, number 5757. Slide of gallbladder, number 6060. And slide of pancreas, number 56. So again, we have 3 slides to study for this morning. Slides of liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Check for slide lang sir if we have those slides. 6, 57, and 60. So let's start with slide of liver. So you've seen this first day of histology. So it's try to scan the organ. So this is what you're going to see. So this is from the periphery here to the inside of the liver. Okay. Outside, you're going to see this capsule. The capsule, we call it as your Gleason's capsule. Gleason's capsule. And the unit structure of the liver, we call it as your hepatic lobule. So what will guide you to look for a hepatic lobule? At the center of a given hepatic lobule, we have a vein, and we call it as your central vein. Again, here. So a classical hepatic lobule is described as hexagonal in shape. Okay? Hexagonal in shape. Again, this is another one here. Okay, here. This one is a central vein. And on the side, so this whole structure, we call it as your hepatic lobule. On the periphery of a given hepatic lobule, you could see this. We're going to study that later and call it as your portal quiet. In the portal quiet containing 3 structures. We're going to mention those structures later on. Again, so first thing to identify, first structure to identify, you have to look for a central vein. So that's the central vein. So on the side, so at the center of the hepatic lobule will be the central vein, and on the sides of it, okay, again, we're going to see the portal quiet. This portal quiet, ayun, sa gilid na. So let's try to focus this in a high power. I hope you still remember the description of hepatocyte. How do we describe hepatocyte? What is the shape? What is the shape? Papalik ko kayo sa chronology. What is the shape? Polygonal. What is the number of nucleus? Classify correctly what's the number of nucleus? Kalimutan na talaga. Mono or binucleated. Location of nucleus? Centrally located nucleus. And arrangement? Arrangement? The cells are arranged in rows, in columns, or in shapes. Tama? Okay. Again, so let's focus. High power. So that's your central vein, still low power, kanina scanner view. That's your central vein, and radiating from the central vein towards the periphery will be your parenchyma, and we call the parenchyma as your hepatocytes or liver cells. Again, it's the central vein, and radiating from it will be your hepatocytes. So let's try to focus it, high power. So this is the central bay here. And the gating permit again will be your party size. Party size, again, description. Described as polygonal in shape. It can be mononucleated or binucleated, with a centrally located nucleus, and the typical arrangement, we call it as your arranged in rows, in shades, or in colors. So this will be your lecture for this afternoon. Okay, with really party size, you can see vascular spaces. We're going to lecture that in details during the lecture R. We call it as your sinusoids. Okay, sinusoids here. And we want you to identify this structure. This is very good. This is a very nice slide showing you the cell, and it's known as the phagocytic cell of the liver, and we call it as your bone copper cells. Spelled as capital B, victory, B-O-N, and then letter K, U, P, W, and E-R. We're going to mention the importance of these cells during the lecture. So again, what are the structures that we want you to look for? To identify the parenchyma here, identify the vascular space, and we call it as your sinusoids, and identify the cells. See, we need that. Again, this one, another one. Identify this one structure. This will be your central bay. And of course, you have your hepatocytes, the gating permit. Identify the space, we call it as your sinusoids. Identify the structures. Another important structure to look for will be the portal quiet. Going to look for a portal quiet. It's another one. This is your central vein again. So, if you're able to identify central vein, focus it on the sides here. So this will be your portal quiet. Sabi ko, naghanap na po akong pasingkanta natin.
Papasok kami ng shop ng mga daming tao.